So I was trying to open it, then Visual Studio is not opening. It's opening, giving me a blank page. Can you see this? Yesterday, the one request we completed. You remember then the last class we were trying to pull that request. It was giving an error. So I was trying to perform that activity in Git, but it was right now when I open Visual Studio, it's giving me a blank page. I'm not sure why.
So you're opening Visual Studio as your DevOps.
Yeah,
Uh,
when I click on the project, it's get into my Microsoft account. I'm not sure.
okay, let's try it now. So where it is going?
Yeah, this is going in Microsoft account. I'm not sure why.
So like the link that you're using. So what is your
Yeah,
organization name?
this was my DevOps project one I created that day. And I
Okay,
managed to manage the branches as well. Dev, UAT, and after that I was doing everything, but
okay. So can you use this link? So you can replace organization name here. So currently Manish Team One is my organization name. So you
mm,
can replace it with your.
yeah.
So not a project, the organization.
Okay.
You
Oh,
remember the organization?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I was about to get the access as asked for your access as well. So what to do? How to replace that?
So what is your organization name? So this is your organization name. Look,
No, my organization name is this one, DevOps Project
no,
One.
this is project name, not
Okay.
organization. If you go to the next tab, because there's little video lag, that's why. Go to the yeah. This is your organization name. Go back. So there is like not this one. Go back or go to the different tab because there I have seen. Yeah, look. Uh, Click here dev.azure.com and Basir Vora 14. So this is your organization name. Yeah.
Yeah.
Open this.
Like
Try to.
clicking there. Yeah.
Yeah. Longlive.com. Can you open in the incognito? It is
Okay.
going for like different way, like portal way.
Yeah, this is what it's opening. So
Go to the incognito and then try to open. Okay. If you want to unshare, feel free. If you don't remember the password and you want to copy paste because we are
okay.
recording.
Okay.
No, it's working for me. I tried in incognito.
Okay.
So I
Incognito is working. Okay. Just
no,
let
I just
me log.
tried to see if like if there's an issue or not. And meanwhile, other guys also can like be ready with his or her question, if any. Okay, we have only proceed. So maybe other people watching RCB versus CSK match, IPL match.
Oh yeah, today is a match. Yeah. Uh,
Do or die situation.
I'm not able to open. See, I'm just trying to. They're showing the
Go back. Okay,
password.
go back. Go back once. Add an email. What's saying? Like so why your mobile
Oh,
number is showing there?
that is what I'm not sure.
If you open in different browser, open in different browser,
Different browser.
leave
Okay.
Chrome, leave Chrome and go to, let's say, Safari or whatever you have. Mozilla, you can do, yeah. The link I have shared, right? So there you only need to replace that Manish Team One with your organization name, and your organization name you have, right?
Yeah. This one. So.
Okay, waiting room, Mahaswati Anchan, waiting room, accepted.
Do I need your credentials?
No, no, why you're like try to log in for your like Azure DevOps, right? You have your own username password. Try that.
Yeah. Yeah. Actually, I sign in with Git.
Okay, then
So.
go with that GitHub way.
Mhm.
Saying password is wrong.
Okay. 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 Sorry, I made a mistake.
Why you are using my organization name? Replace Manish Team One with your organization name in URL. In URL there
Okay.
is Manish Team One, right? That is my organization name. So I have not
Yeah.
provided you access. So copy your organization name and paste there in the URL.
Okay. What
So
is my?
you okay? Go to the Chrome browser. There you have that name, right? In Chrome, go to Chrome. So
Yeah,
there,
this
yeah,
is
this one.
Chrome.
Copy this. Copy this. The last. Yeah, copy this link address. Yeah, copy this.
I paste here.
Yeah, that works. Look, it's working now.
Okay.
Now go to DevOps project one. This is your project.
Yeah.
And for Chrome, you can clean the cache and then and then you will retry it. It will work. Okay.
Which one?
In Chrome, if you want in
Okay.
Chrome,
Okay.
maybe
Yeah.
some history like other username is getting picked.
Okay, yeah, maybe. So actually, I was trying to practice, like the last project which you did. So when I open my terminal and all, uh, so I was practicing this request, but it was not coming up.
So here, so what is, type PWD and enter. Okay, so you are not in the path where your code base is present. So here you can see, so your current CMD is in user folder, user location. First, you need to go to your code base folder. If you go to your local system and show me the folder where you have placed that code,
Okay.
or you want to have all your code cloned,
Yeah. This
right?
is the phone. Yeah.
Now have the path cd space.
Oh shit.
Also, you need to remove that readme last. Okay.
Okay.
So try to understand. So you want to work in your project, right? So you have
Mm-hmm.
one local folder where you have cloned your project. Now to operate all your command based on your folder structure, first you need to go to that folder, right? By using this cd command. Cd
Okay.
means change drive, means you are
Okay.
going to that change directory, you can say. You are going to that folder directory, and now once you are there, then you will be able to run any command. So that is your workspace, right? That folder.
Okay.
So this you need to make sure. Now let's say you are cloning some different project. Now again you need to go to that project, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that your command will work with respect to your current project.
Yes.
Okay.
So after CD, I need to
Space
write.
and your
Okay.
path. Now readme, remove that readme. So readme is a file name. Okay, no, not file. Why are you removing all? Only
No, no,
readme.
I didn't give space.
Okay. Now remove that readme.
Okay. That's it.
One more backspace.
Okay.
Enter. Now git status. Now your git command will start working.
Now get stated.
You can see on branch main is saying, right?
Yeah.
So your git command is now working. So because you are in your workspace, so that is
Mm-hmm.
your git workspace, right? You have cloned
Yes.
something earlier. So you need to
Mm-hmm.
make sure you are like having in the current folder structure only. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
These are
And
the
you
small thing you need to make sure like you understand.
okay, get this. Okay, fine, get status. And what about the version, you know? Yeah, can you show me one example like we are doing?
So sorry, I didn't get your point.
Can you show me an example like how it works? Like suppose I make a clone and then like pull the request.
So currently, look, you already cloned the project, right? That's why you
Yes.
have that folder structure, project folder structure. Now I have pinged the command in our last classes, right?
Mm,
So if you can refer that, let me ping you again.
yeah. Okay.
Hmm. Okay. So first is you need to do some changes in your local branch. So you can add some file, right?
Okay.
So git clone you have already done, right?
Yes.
DevOps project one is from Azure DevOps. So you have already done the git clone.
Okay.
Now create one file test1.txt in your
Okay.
folder. Not here, go to your local folder. Now
Mhm.
create one file called test dot new file. Yeah, new file.
New file. Like I'm screening.
So this is folder.
Yeah, yeah. Means how? Means I don't have that option. See,
You're not having option to create file.
no.
Do one thing, readme.md, copy this and paste it. We're just doing testing, right? Copy and paste in same folder.
Yeah.
Correct? Now this is
Yeah.
one thing, right? Now you can rename as test.md. Test.md. Enter. Fine. Now go to your command prompt and you can like write a command git space status.
Okay.
Enter. You can see one new file is added. It's saying right.
Yes,
To improve.
test.md.
Now, as per my command, we need to stage this file, right? And to stage
Mhm.
the file, what we can do, we can write a command git space add space file name space file name test.md. No, test.md. The file name is test.md.
Do I copy this or okay?
Yeah, copy. You can write also a small name .md. Enter. Now again, you can do the git status just to check. Enter. Now you can say new file in the green. You can say see like it is staged now. Now
Okay.
before pushing it to the remote repository, so what you need to
Mm-hmm.
do, you need to commit it. So how you will commit? The command is git space commit. If you can refer my chat, the
Yeah.
commit
Yeah.
space,
Okay. Okay. And then
then
it's
you can push it. Yeah, git push.
git push.
After this git commit, you can push it, right? Then you will
Yeah.
see in the Azure DevOps that yeah, this new file is added.
So I see I'm not having any other space to push.
Open new terminal, maybe something hanged. In terminal, you will get option to create new or abandon this. Click on abandon, quit, create, open new CMD. Sometime it happens, it hanged, right? I don't know what command you have pasted after that. Okay, and okay, I can see Charan Reddy is also there. Charan, you have any queries? Because today is our doubt session, right? So I'm just going through with Basir queries.
No,
If you have any, you can
no, so
also
far
ask.
I followed. No, along with you, I've done a few things, and later on, I've done few things. Now I'm just checking how others are doing. If I'm missing anything, I'm just looking at it.
Okay, so it's clear, right? You are understanding what we are trying
Yes,
to
yes, yes,
explain, right?
I understood. But I continued with your organization. I didn't create my own organization. That's the only thing. I could do
Oh,
it at any point of time because now I'm a bit familiar with the things you have told me so far.
okay, good. Now you can write git commit. No, why you are entering it?
Okay. Sorry.
Git commit. Check the chat now. Check chat.
Okay.
You're not writing proper command. Git commit space -m. Then if you're like putting wrong command.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm putting the wrong
Okay.
command. Okay.
Now, Charan, one more thing. If you want to go to the next step, you can install VS Code. So, do you have VS Code installed in your local system?
Yeah, I was in mute. I'm talking to myself. Okay, I'm installing Studio Code.
Yeah, VS Code. Let me ping the link. Okay, it will be easy.
Okay.
It's Visual Studio Code. Let me ping you the link. Based on your operating system, you can
Yeah,
download it.
yeah, I'm using Windows. I'll follow the
Yeah,
procedure.
I pinged you the yeah. Okay. Because whatever we are doing from command prompt, so we can use this VS Code editor. Okay.
Okay. So that is the IDE we regularly use.
Correct. Yeah, VS Code is the like most popular thing I can say. So
Okay.
everyone using VS Code only these days.
Okay.
So is this the right command? Manish?
Git. So let me see the window. Git commit space -m space, yeah, right, enter. So look, now try to understand, Basir. So here you have written command git commit -m in the inverted, what you have written, commit message. So that commit message I have provided you as an example, right? Okay, you can write
Yeah.
your own commit message. So here what you
Oh.
can say, okay, this is my first commit.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got you. Yes. Now I'm getting the query. Yes. Thank you.
No, now you can leave it. So you already committed, right? So that's fine.
Right. No.
Okay. Now see git status. So whatever you are doing, try to understand. There should be some concept, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
sure. Yeah.
I just want to make sure you understand the concept. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you can push it. Git push. Okay, why it's saying something? Okay, let's try git push. No configured push destination. Git push. Either specify the URL from the command line or configure remote repository. So there is no remote repository saying no configured push destination. Right, git pull. Let me see if anything is. Git branch. Okay, so do one thing. Git status, or sorry, git branch -a. How many branches are there? Branch. The spelling is wrong. Space -a. It's in main. Perfect. Now git status. Let me see again. So why your nothing added to commit but untagged files present? Use git add. So do git git add space git add space hyphen capital A. Enter. Okay, now do git status. Okay, now looks good. Now git commit. You can write down the commit. That's like you can commit the changes. Git space commit hyphen m and then space. Where is the space? Git commit space hyphen m. After commit there is a space.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Hyphen m space an inverter comma inside inverter comma you can have your just commit. Enter. Cool. Now git push. Enter. No configured push destination. Okay, either specify the URL from the command line or to configure. Okay, git push and try to provide that URL. I don't know why it's showing like your workspace is not getting synced with git push space and the URL. Try to provide that URL. Then we will try to clone also. I think something is in from Azure DevOps.
This.
From Azure
Okay.
DevOps.
From.
Go to repo, click on repo, clone, clone right side. Yeah. Copy the URL link and
Yeah, Manish, I think few people are waiting to join, so can you allow them?
okay. Yes. No, why you are removing? Basit,
Okay, sorry.
whatever
Yeah,
you
yeah.
pasted, just use all. No?
Okay, sorry,
Manish, is
sorry.
there anyone waiting to join?
No, I have accepted everyone.
Manish.
I already accepted. Hello.
Okay,
Am I
okay.
audible? Yeah. Write git push, git space push, and space hyphen hyphen all. Okay. If this is not working, we need to clone again. Some like your connection is not getting stabilized, I can say. And for other guys, so I can see if you joined right now. So if you guys have any queries, any doubt, you can ask. Feel free to ask anything. Okay.
So it's not happening, I suppose.
Use this git push, the command that is showing here. Git push. Copy that. Na git push space. Above you can see there is one command. Git push set upstream all main. Copy this
Okay.
complete command. Yeah. No, remove the space. You can copy complete command there, or you can.
Okay.
Okay. So what happened? You're saying that does not appear to be a Git repository. Git push could not read from remote repository. So Basit, can you try again? Like, can you create one folder or clean that folder, delete that folder, and try again everything? I don't know, like how you cloned earlier. So it seems it is not considering as a repository, like Git repository. Have you created that folder manually or something like that? I don't know. So if you
No,
can
no,
try
no.
again,
Okay. So what do you want me to do? Set up,
go
create
to
new
look.
project?
You can look what you can do. You can delete that folder from your local system. Okay,
Okay.
and then do all steps from beginning. Okay, so whatever like git clone and all, go back, delete this DevOps project one.
Okay. This one.
Okay, yeah, completely. Now, okay, now go back. So what is your main folder? Let me see. Okay, GitHub, right? Now from here, like cd and go to GitHub and then write git clone and the repository link. So once it is cloned properly, then do the steps that we did. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now clean
Okay.
the command prompt also. Okay. You can close this CMD terminal, open the new one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now we can say like if you are using VS Code, so this type of issue will never occur. Like sometimes the history get breaked or whatever. Like lots of things can happen in the backend, right? Based on the Git, if you are not like following the proper Git process.
I don't have any file here, so right.
Copy this, yeah, CD, and then go to like provide location of that GitHub folder. Open that GitHub folder, or you can just yeah, copy the whether. Okay, yes, enter. Okay, cool. Now you can start with that command, whatever I pinged in the chat. Okay, git clone, and instead of remote repo URL, you need to provide the URL from your project. Okay, from Azure DevOps.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
just follow
Okay.
these steps and whatever we did, like add some file, test dot whatever thing. Don't use that
Okay.
MD, test dot txt for now. That MD can be only one, right? That is like basic file, you can say, the readme file.
Okay.
Okay.
So right now I will follow all these steps, right?
You can
Literally.
follow in the backend,
Which
and if
URL should
you
I use? Which URLs? Remote
the
repo URL.
project, yeah, the project URL. Go to Azure DevOps, Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Clone. Clone. Yeah,
Okay,
you can
this
use this
URL.
file. Yes.
But this I have just deleted, right?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
So we are trying to do the proper clone. Right now, that time we have faced some issue, right? It's saying it's not a repository.
Yeah.
No, use proper command message. Refer the ping
Okay.
git space clone. You can copy paste that chat, right, in your local system and then start referring it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And meanwhile, if you have any question,
Okay.
feel free to ask.
Thank you. Thank you, Manish.
Yeah, no problem. Just do it and let me know if it's working fine or not. Okay.
Sure.
And then, yeah, I have also pinged one link regarding like installation of Visual Studio Code. So if you don't have Visual Studio installed in your local system, kindly do it. And any queries with our past session, we can discuss like for anything like the Git related topic, Azure DevOps introduction session, and then project management things. Project development lifecycle, waterfall, agile, overview of DevOps, whatever. If you have any type of questions, you can ask.
Manish, I cloned it. It's giving me something else. Can I show you?
Show me. Now go to the okay. What's happening? Check out instead of the remote head branch instead of scroll down. Create a shallow clone change time separate set clone. Go to the folder. See what happened there. And close the model. Open it. Okay. Type one command git init and also show me the command that you have used. Scroll up. Look, you have written git clone twice. Git clone, git clone. The command is wrong, right? Do one thing, git space init. Init. First do init. Let me do initialization. Enter. Now, okay, initially empty git. Okay, fine. Now write git clone. You got what you are missing, right? You have written this git clone twice. Now
Okay.
provide the URL.
Mm-hmm.
Enter. Now do enter. Look, it started cloning into DOS project one. Password for this. So provide the password. So where
Where
is the,
should I put? I'm not able to
there
add
should
any.
be some pop-up, I think, or maybe something will appear.
No, no pop-up.
Now go to a folder, get a folder. So where is the password pop-up? It's waiting for. Open this GitHub. Look, it's trying to. So where is your password pop-up? It may be somewhere. Password for HTTPS. Close this. Show me the CMD. So there should be some password pop-up. Click here so that password icon. You're getting something.
No, no, nothing.
Where is your password pop-up thing? Can you do this then? I don't know, like where the password is going. Maybe you can set up the
Do they
password. Huh?
do they need access before?
Look, there is two way. The first way I pinged you. you can set up the username, email, and password. Okay. Second is when you run a command, you will get a pop-up. So I think for everyone it's worked properly. So they got some pop-up. Maybe your pop-up is blocked. I don't know what is with your local system, but I have said the other way. I pinged you. You can check that thing. Okay. If you can do this setup first before trying this clone command.
Mm, okay. Because I think there is some problem with the Mac. So, do you want me to, open from Windows and all? Because I don't have, so maybe for that it's creating some issues and all.
Maybe, but again, I am saying this is not like a blocker. There may be some settings in your Mac because here you can see clearly, right? Now,
Mm-hmm.
command prompt is trying to provide, like, trying to ask a password, but that pop-up is not getting populated. Maybe some pop block is there, or you can use the command that I pinged. So by this, the password will be set, and then at the time of git clone, they will not ask for a password. So both way you can try. If still the issue is facing, then maybe we need to understand like why it's happening in Mac. Maybe some setting. Okay.
Okay. I'm not sure. Yeah, okay, I have to check that.
And also refer my ping. I have ping something, Vasir. Okay.
Yeah.
Do step
Yeah,
by
yeah.
step, it will work. Okay. If not, then if you have Windows, you can try there also. But it should work because this is not the right way, right? If we switch from Mac to Windows, it will work everywhere.
Okay, okay. I'm just trying to join from a Windows laptop and try to set up initially.
Okay, fine. So whatever things you find is good. You can also try in Mac with this other option that git config global user password. Okay.
Okay. Do you want me to try this option?
Yeah,
Git
you can try
com.
this. Yeah, you can try this. Like meanwhile, we can discuss some other topic. You can try this. Okay,
Mhm.
these are only 3 commands. You can quickly try it. Okay. If not working, then you can go to the Windows, and then we can think
Okay,
on this Mac. If I will find any like setup that need to be changed in Mac, I will let you know. Okay.
okay.
Okay, fine. Kalyani, so you have any queries?
Yeah, can you also show like how we use these commands in Visual Code as well, please?
Yeah, that's why I said if you can install the Visual Studio Code
Uh-huh.
once.
Yeah.
So have you installed the Visual Studio Code?
Yeah, it's already there.
It's already there. Okay.
Mhm.
Because I'm installing it.
Okay.
I like uninstalled it in my local. Let me do that.
I actually installed it to try Endpoint Code Builder.
Oh, okay. And any other queries from our past session?
As of now, I'm good because I have good knowledge on Git, so I'm okay with that.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone have any?
Yeah, I mean, so are we clear with all the doubts? Anyone has any doubt so far, like, or we are good to end this session? Okay, if no other doubts, then yeah, we can end this session and we'll connect tomorrow and we'll continue on this. Okay, fine then. Thanks everyone.
Oh, cool. And for VS Code, I will take this session, okay, because it will be helpful for other guys also if I take this
Yeah.
in one go. Okay.
Okay. Is it possible for you to explain a little bit on Bitbucket also?
In Bitbucket,
Yeah.
then again the setup will be required for that,
Okay.
Kalyani.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Sure. No worries.
Go with our pace, and later on,
Uh-huh.
based on the demand, we will cover that part also. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, Manish, I'm not sure, like, my voice was audible or not. So, we are done with all the doubts. Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Yeah, Ravi, I can hear you.
Yeah. So I'm saying, are we done with all the doubts?
Okay. Cool. I think if there is no question, then we will consider this as a like we don't have any doubt. And Basir, you can like